Excelerate TUFSOIL is a ready-to-use gel degreaser that can be used in food and protein applications, specifically fryers, ovens, smokehouses, even catwalks and environmental areas that are difficult to reach. In the food and protein segments in particular, when you have high soiled-on areas and hot temperatures, the soils can take hours of manual scraping, scrubbing, high-pressure water blasting to remove. Excelerate TUFSOIL is tackling the problem of tough, burnt-on soils that a lot of our customers experience.
The product provides improved cleaning performance as compared to a foamed alkaline product because of its formulation. It is optimized ratio of potassium and sodium hydroxide, in addition to solvents and surfactants, help to remove tough soil very efficiently. Excelerate TUFSOIL is compatible with stainless steel and rubbers, which could be applied on equipment and various environmental surfaces to remove tough soils.
This product provides improved cleaning performance through 3 separate actions. Number 1 is an improved cling time.
The product is a gel form, meaning that it stays on a vertical surface for a long period of time. It has a longer cling time to the surface and have a longer contact time to the chemistry in the surface, removing the soil very efficiently.
Number 2 is a higher active concentration. So this product is a ready-to-use formulation, and so it doesn't need to be diluted any further.
As a ready-to-use gel formula, Excelerate TUFSOIL reduces some of the odor that we perceive with other foam alkaline products.
Number 3 is the hot surface application.
Excelerate TUFSOIL can be applied on hot surfaces up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit without drying.
So in a lot of different application areas, such as the environmental areas and in fryers in particular, the areas are quite dark to be cleaned, and it is difficult to see the product as it's being applied. Now, we added a new green dye to this product in order to properly visualize where it's being applied.
So in dark areas, inside fryers or ovens, using Excelerate TUFSOIL can allow you to see where you've applied, which reduces overuse of the chemistry by reapplying to the same places. So Excelerate TUFSOIL is a ready-to-use degreaser, and it is applied with a spray application, custom built with a nozzle, wand, and hose size that all maximize the distance that Excelerate TUFSOIL can be applied. Current PPE requirements for your foam alkaline cleaner will be suitable for applying Excelerate TUFSOIL. One of the benefits of Excelerate TUFSOIL is reducing or completely eliminating the time spent on mechanical actions, so the scrubbing, scraping, high-pressure water blasting. Excelerate TUFSOIL can be rinsed off with even low-pressure water.
I'm Carrie Walters. I'm a principal chemist at Ecolab.
My name is Helena Imaru. I am a staff scientist at Ecolab.
I'm Maddie Fabian, a chemical engineer at Ecolab, and
this is Excelerate TUFSOIL.